indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing a waterspout is wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over low point, moving northwest at 10 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. The Tapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia